Hey, Full-Time Freedom Team, it's Marlena Burton. Let's focus on helping 3 people become members and save money, earn money, or both. Steve has put together this plan that I am certain that anybody that is serious about changing their lives and using these products that are amazing can literally change your life with this product. I just got off of a Zoom with a few people on my team talking about a quantum leap. This compensation plan is a quantum leap for most people. So let's keep it super simple. Follow Steve's direction. And as you see here, the success steps. You enroll 3 members. Step 2, you help them enroll 3 members. Step 3, you want to duplicate 7 levels to earn a potential $3,000 to $16,000 monthly residual income. Step number 4, know that it's your right to be rich. This is not a guarantee of health, savings, or earnings. All results vary. So let's help each other as a team, encourage each other, and keep it super simple as it is. Look at this matrix and see where you want to be and get back to the person that invited you. My number is 618-223-6006. As I said, let's work together as a team. Steve has a vision for 1 million+ people to be financially free, to get out of debt. And guys, I can tell you from personal experience, there's nothing like owing no man anything. So we want all people to be in that position. So take this business serious. It is an absolutely serious business that can be life-changing. So thank you for your time. Get back to the person that invited you to get their specific link. Get started. Empower 3 people as soon as possible. God's very best to you.